Welcome to Colonial Village by Ryan Holmes, a charming new community located in beautiful Edenton, North Carolina. Often called the South's prettiest small town. Here you'll experience cozy, cottage-style living, small town walkability, and modern comfort, all at an incredible value. You've arrived. I'm Drew, and I can't wait to show you why Colonial Village is a perfect blend of convenience, comfort, and community. Your dream home is calling, and you're closer than you think. Let's start with the lifestyle. Colonial Village is nestled in an already established neighborhood where everything feels welcoming, familiar, and connected. You can walk to downtown Edenton, enjoy tree-lined streets, meet neighbors at the pergolas, walk your dog by the fountains, and take in the charm of this historic town. Everything truly feels like community here. From boutique shops and art studios to the waterfront views along the Albemarle Sound, instantly feel the peaceful rhythm of small town living. From the community to downtown, shopping, dining, and easy living is right here in your backyard. Now let's talk about the homes. These thoughtfully designed floor plans can include main level living, open layouts, charming exteriors, and a warm, cozy vibe that makes every space feel relaxing and inviting. Whether you're downsizing, buying your first home, or just want simpler living, this collection delivers quality craftsmanship and modern efficiency without compromising character. Every home includes professionally curated interior packages, so you get beautiful finishes without the stress of designing everything yourself. You don't want to miss out on this incredible opportunity. The value's unbeatable. Living in Colonial Village means everyday convenience and easy access to major destinations. Hampton Roads in Norfolk International Airport is only an hour away, and Elizabeth City shopping is 25 miles from home. You also are perfectly positioned for day trips to Raleigh, Greenville, and the Outer Banks, only an hour and a half away. Working at well-known medical facilities like Centera Albemarle or ECU Health Center has never been easier. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or exploring, you're connected to major destinations while enjoying the quiet charm of Edenton. Everything you need is just minutes away. From Herringbone's waterfront dining to convenient stops like Food Lion and Tractor Supply. Enjoy mornings at local coffee shops, browse art galleries and downtown boutiques, grab barbecue at Old Colony Smokehouse, or unwind along Broad Street. Colonial Village is more than a community, it's a lifestyle rooted in charm, comfort, and connection. If you're ready to experience the beauty of Edenton with the affordability of modern living, take the next step to sign up today. I can't wait to welcome you home.